Hello everyone, welcome to Operators in Python coding exercise. In Python, operators are used to perform operations on variables and values. In this tutorial, we are going to implement different operators that are there in Python and see how we can use them for different operations. To start with, we are going to implement the arithmetic operators in Python. So I've taken two variables x and y. Next, I'm going to do an addition of x and y. So print x plus y. It's nothing but addition. In the same way, in order to do subtraction, I'm going to do x minus y. To multiply two integers, I use star operator, that is x multiply y. The division is x by y for modulus x% y. For float division, x double slash y. And for exponent, x star star y. So you can see that after doing this operation, the result of addition is 14, subtraction is 6, multiply 40, and likewise. Next is comparison operator. In Python, the comparison operator gives the result as either true or false. So I've taken two numbers, x and y, and I'm trying to understand the comparison between these two variables x and y. So print if x is greater than y, if x is less than y, greater than equal to if x is greater than or equal to y, less than equal to, which is x less than equal to y, not equal to is x exclamation mark equal to y, equal to is x equals to y. So the output of x greater than y is true, which is true because x is 5 and y is 3. For if x is less than y or not, so it's showing false. For x greater than equal to y, which is also true because x anyways is greater than y. Whether it is less than or equal to y or not, it shows false. In the same way, the result of not equal to is true because x and y are not equal. And equal to, the result is false. Next is logical operators in Python. And, or, and not operators are considered to be the logical operators in Python. The result of these logical operations is either true or false. I have taken two variables. One is true, that is x is true and y is false. When I try to do AND x and y, the result is false. Or x or y is true. Not, that is not y, which is not false, is basically true. Next comes bitwise operator. Bitwise operator in Python is nothing but bit values. So I've assigned x as 1001 and y is equals to 1010. In the same way, I'm implementing AND, OR, NOT, XOR, bitwise right shift and bitwise left shift operations on the two bit variable. So the result of x and y is 992 or is 1019. Not result, that is not y, is nothing but minus 10111 and likewise. In Python, there are something called as assignment operator, in which it is used to assign values to the variables. Like we have been assigning values to our variables. So x equals to 5, x plus is equals to 5, which is nothing but x equals to x plus 5, x minus equals to 2, which is nothing but x is equals to x minus 2, and likewise. Next is identity operator. Is and is not are the identity operators in Python. So x equals to 5 and y is equals to 5 and z equals to a string. So if I want to check if is operator between the two variables that we have taken x and y is true or false, then we can do so using is keyword. So x is y, which is true because x is 5, y is 5. Not is operator result, which is y is not z, which is true because y is 5 and z is a character. So the result is true. Membership operator. In is considered to be the membership operator in Python. So if I want to check whether a particular value or the item belongs to a particular string or a sequence or not, then I use in operator. So I have taken a string x equals to Python course and I'm checking if y belongs to x or not. So yes, y belongs to x, so the result is true. And if I want to check if a belongs to x or not, then the result is false. In is considered to be the membership operator. That's it from my side for operators in Python. Hope you enjoyed this coding exercise. Thank you for watching this video.